Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It is for Valentine's Day. It might not look like it is for Valentine's Day because it's just like, I don't know, I feel like it's different and I feel like people don't do purples on Valentine's Day, but that's just what I haven't seen yet. And I really like it. Like, it's mostly purple than pink and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. At first I didn't like it because of like the glitter up here. I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, but whoo, it's a lot of glitter. And yeah, so it's a half cut crease, but it's like the cloud effect half cut crease, you know what I'm talking about, where it's like the cloud kind of, and then the glitter around it, and the glitter is kind of making it not look like the cloud effect. But you know, that's all good, that's fine. It's all good. If you want like the full cloud effect, then just don't do the glitter, because the glitter is kind of blinding the cloud effect, so it's not like showing up, but like I'm fine with that. And then there's a little heart on the side. It's just so cute. Oh my god, yes, I love it. And it matches my nails, so like it's like perfect. Yeah, so I have to actually take off this makeup, which is very sad. After I take some pictures, I'm gonna take it off because like I had to clean my bedroom and like top to bottom, just because I have to, because it's not like a mess, but like there's stuff that I need to clean. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this purple smoky eye for Valentine's Day, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be grabbing this Makeup Geek palette. It's a collaboration with Manny, MUA, and the one and only. And I'm going to be grabbing Beaches, right? Beaches and Cream, yeah. I always say Peaches sometimes, and then I'll edit the video and be like, that's not Peaches, it's Beaches. So yeah, I'm just going to be grabbing that. It's a really good transition color, so I'm just going to pop that in my crease with Morphe M441 brush. It's just like a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Beaches and Cream, and I'm just going to put that right in my crease. And then I'm going to grab this Beauty Treats Matte Blush Palette. And it doesn't have it like what it's called or anything. It literally just says the brand and this right here. But I'm going to be taking this color right here. There's no name for the blushes or anything like that, but I'm going to take that on the same brush, the same Morphe brush, and I'm going to also put that in the crease. I did just pop on some tape because I do want this look to be very like sharp, you know. But I'm just going to keep adding that pink shade. And then I'm going to be taking this Profusion Pro Pigment palette and grab the color called Disco, which is this color right here. Just a very light purple. And I'm going to be grabbing this Walgreens brush. There's no name or anything, but it's like, yeah. And I'm just going to be grabbing this side right here. It just comes at like a tip on the top, and yeah, it's just very small. And I'm gonna grab a Disco and put it right under that pink shade that we put down. And then I'm gonna grab this Ulta palette right here. I don't know, it was like a sale kind of thing, like if you spent this much you get like this free thing. I don't know if they like have this still. There's no name on it. It literally just says Ulta, so yeah. But I remember that there was some purples in this palette. I really want to go in with a deep like purple, like, yeah. And this color is literally what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm just going to grab the same brush that I grabbed with the other purple. And I'm going to put this shade on the outer part of the eye. Wow, that's pigmented. Holy crap. I haven't used this purple yet, and I've had this palette for so long. And then I'm going to grab this clean brush right here, and it's just a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to blend out that purple a little bit. I'm going to go back and forth with brushes, so I'm going to keep applying it and then keep going back with this brush to blend it. And then I'm going to grab this blush palette again and grab that pink that we grabbed before, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna like put that back into the look. So I'm just gonna reapply this in the crease, and this will also help blend that purple out a little bit. I'm getting like Barbie unicorn vibes right now, Jeffree Star vibes. I'm loving it. Oh my god. Now I'm going to be grabbing this Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the color Porcelain 110. And I'm just going to put that, like, I'm going to cut my crease with it. But I'm going to, like, do, like, that cloud kind of effect. Like, you know that trend, like, the cloud trend where you, like, cut your crease like a cloud? That's what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to grab this Tarte Tartiest Pro palette. And I'm going to grab the white in this palette, which is called Vintage, and just set that before it creases. And then I'm going to grab this angled brush right here. This is the e.l.f. Professional Defining Eye Brush. And I'm going to grab that purple that we put on the outer part of the eye. And I'm just going to grab a little bit and blend out the edges of that concealer. Alright guys, so I did my full face and the camera actually turned off or wasn't even on at all when I was doing my bottom lash line. And yeah, and I found out earlier before I popped on my lashes and put on my full face that when I was doing this heart right here and like the glitter up there, yeah, that stuff, the camera turned off also. So it's a great day. But the heart, I went in with this NYX colored felt tip liner in white Blanc, and I did that and it wasn't white enough for me, so I just went over with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And then I grabbed these two products for the glitter up there. This right here, this is the Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer. And then this glitter is just literally from like a craft store, like it's not really a big deal. And I just like, you know, you can't really see the glitter unless I do this. It's fine, I guess. I just gotta do this all day and I'm fine with that. But the glitter actually like kind of made it like you can't see like the cloud effect, but you know, I'm good. I'm good. That's fine with me. I'm good. And then the lashes will be down below for you guys because I have no idea what they're called. No idea. And then the waterline is white from the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. And then the first pink color that we took, I just put it on the bottom lash line. And then we're just going to go in with the color Disco right here. And that's the purple that we took, the first purple that we took. And I'm just going to put that on the bottom lash line also with this eyeshadow brush. It's just a little smudger brush, so that's the thing. Oh, and I totally forgot to tell you guys what my inner corner is. After I apply this, I'll let you guys know what that is. Alrighty, so for the inner corner highlight, for the eyes and the actual highlight for the face, I took this Too Faced, what is this called? Oh my god, it's like on the tip of my tongue. It's just like this iridescent highlighter. I'm pretty sure there was two other highlighters that came out with this one, but this is, what does it call it? I think it's like diamond highlighter or something. But I don't remember, but it'll be down below for you guys. This is just the iridescent color, and there's purple in there. You guys cannot see it, but it looks green on camera, but I promise you there's purple in there. There's a whole bunch of different colors in there, but I took the purple, and I took this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in Blossom Glow and just did my highlighter and my inner corner highlight. Now I'm going to take the Ulta palette and grab that dark purple shade right here, and I'm just gonna grab like a this brush right here. This is a definer brush and it's just like flat on the top. I'm gonna grab that purple and just really get in there, and then I'm just gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So my lippy is this Ulta Beauty lipstick in the color Honey. And then I put on top this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in, I literally don't know what color this is in, but I'll find the color and it'll be down below for you guys. And yeah, so that's the end of this makeup look. yeah, so if you guys like this video, if you did, give this video a thumbs up. At first, I did not like this look, if I'm being quite honest. When I was putting the pink and the purple down before I cut my crease, I was obsessed with it, and then I cut my crease and put that glitter stuff on it, and I just didn't like it. Like, I wish I didn't put the glitter on it, but now I'm kind of living for it. I think I like it. But sadly, I do have to take this makeup off and actually clean my bedroom because, like, yeah, it's just a thing that I have to do. And this is just like a very dramatic Valentine's Day look. I feel like this is like could go either way, like if you're just going out and about or for Valentine's Day. I feel like the heart made it look like a Valentine's Day makeup look. And yeah, it's not really much that says Valentine's Day, but the heart. And the colors, so yeah, that's the thing. You could totally just wear this out and about, like to dinner or something. Like, it's so appropriate, like it is. I would actually wear this out, if I'm being honest, but I gotta clean, so like I can't really, yeah. Next video will be more like of the neutral side, like the warm brown colors, and I think I'm going to be doing a red lip with that, like a half cut crease, natural brown colors, and then red lip. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Maybe like a smoky eye. I have no idea, like a warm chocolatey brown smoky eye. I think I might do that with like a gold inner corner. Yes, I'm living for that. And then the next video, the last video for Valentine's Day, I think I want to mess with reds, but like, you know, let me know down below because like I have no idea. But yeah, so if you like this makeup look, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell button so you get notified if sometime I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like, comment, and share the video you got notified by. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!